How to hide character skeletons in Sequencer. In this project, we have the two characters, and I play this animation now, and you can see the right character don't have the head, but they have the same animation. Yeah, let's start it. And I will drag these skeletons into the scene. Adjust the right place, and I will hide two of them. And the next thing, I'm gonna drag this character into the sequencer and add the animation. Twin stance. And yeah, I will select this one and right click and select space to control rig and create it. And yeah, and we have the FK control rig now. And the next thing, I will select the bones. I will select this head. And you can see we have a lot of the keyframes point. I will select all of them and delete it. And I will change this scale value to 0. And yeah, you can see this character's head is hidden now. Yeah, also you can hide another bone. In here, I will hide the right arm, and we do the same thing. And delete all of the keyframe. And reset this value to 0. And yeah, you can see these characters, the right arm is hidden now. I think this way is really fast to use to hide characters' skeleton. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.